Hi, it's Krista with WTI. You want to know something that you can get into perfect shape without exercising or even breaking a sweat? It's your eyebrows. And this Real Techniques brow set is going to help you groom your eyebrows into the most beautiful way to frame your face. Let me tell you a little bit about this set that makes it a real winner in my book. I was really impressed with the quality of both of the tweezers because they are perfectly aligned. This assures that each time I go for a new hair, I get it on the first try and I don't have a lot of irritation in my brow area, and I avoid all of that redness that keeps me from being able to immediately apply my makeup and go. Something that's unique in this set as well is that each of the brow tools, the spoolie, the arch definer, and the brush all have a ergonomic angle so that they're comfortable to use, but it also makes it extremely easy to work with. As I use these tools, I can see my eyebrow the whole time. It was a really nice added bonus that these tools came in a reusable case. The case not only can be folded in half and propped so that the tools can be reached very easily one by one, but also it has a nice protective covering so that if I'm traveling, I can keep them all together in my makeup bag. So if you're someone who's looking to keep your brows in shape, you will not find a higher quality brow grooming set, and that's my point of view.